Man accused of killing mother and father in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The man and woman who were stabbed to death in Christian Gardens, Portmore, St. Catherine have been identified. They have been identified as Cesar Ramsey, a minister of religion, and his wife, Phyllis Ramsey, a school principal. Reports are that around 4 a.m. on Friday, residents found a car belonging to one of the Ramseys abandoned on a roadside in the community. Checks were made and bloodstains were reportedly found in the car. The police were called, and following further investigation, they went to the house of the couple where their bodies were found with several wounds. A man said to be the son of the couple had since been taken into custody. The incident has triggered anger and shock within the Christian Gardens community. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.